This is Raymond of Raymond's Riders. It is Saturday, the 16th of March, 2013. I'm continuing with my superlift project. And as you can see, I've embedded a portion of it into the floor. There is a collar, as I showed in the previous pictures, that goes down 3.5 feet. This inner piece only goes in 13 inches, but the stability comes from the amount of material that's cemented down underneath. Now, I have a bolt and acme rod, which I'll show you. I just finished welding up the collar for it. There's the collar, and I'll be cleaning that up later. But I'm just sizing where the acme bolt will go. This is just sitting on here. It'll be held off about that distance. The collar goes on the bottom. This goes into the collar. This will lift the collar, and I have what's called a pin bearing, and it is as thin or thinner than a washer, but it can hold nearly 3,000 pounds. Now, it doesn't look like much, but I don't have to lift very far. I'm only going to be lifting some 30 inches. Now, I'll show you the beam. So that's how much the beam is total. And when it's into the hole, it actually is allowed for this slight movement that when the collar's on, when this is moved forward with a load on it, it's perfectly level. Now, this is about as much as I figured on doing today. There's another look at the collar. I'm using store-bought pins. They have this handy handle on them, and these are 7/8 pins. They'll act as my rollers for the collar, and the collar will ride up that pillar. At least that's the plan.